Hey everyone! Today, we're making a gorgeous beach-themed clock using natural wood and the amazing craft resin. It's a super satisfying project that brings a piece of the seaside right into your home. We start with our wooden slab. Make sure it's clean and prepped. Crucially, we need to create a secure mold wall all the way around. Quick tip: double check your tape seal. A few extra seconds now prevents hours of sanding later if the craft resin leaks out. I'm using craft resin's 1-to-1 formula for this layer. Mix it slowly to keep it bubble-free. I divide the resin into 3 parts. One for the shore, mixed with fine river sand. One for the deep ocean using a dark blue pigment. And the last one for the shallows with a light turquoise. Now we pour them in sequence. First the sand, then the dark blue, and finally the light blue in the middle. I use a stick to blend the colors where they meet, giving it that natural flow. Quick pass with the heat gun to pop any surface bubbles. Another 24-hour wait. Everything is set. For the perfect glass finish, we need a final flood coat. I'm using the craft resin 2-to-1 formula here for a thicker, high gloss layer. Pour it evenly across the entire surface, torch for bubbles, and cover it to protect it from dust. Now the final cure, 48 hours. Once cured, we remove the mold, sand off any drips on the edges, and drill the hole for the clock mechanism. Polish the surface back to that mirror shine, or apply a final thin layer if needed. Last step, install the clock mechanism and glue on the markers. And that's it, a stunning piece of beach art. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Grab your craft resin and happy making. Bye for now.